Most people focus on the resurrection, but they miss what Jesus did before he left. In my former book, Theophilus, I wrote about all that Jesus began to do and teach. After his suffering, he presented himself to them and gave many convincing proofs that he was alive. He appeared to them over a period of 40 days and spoke about the kingdom of God. Jesus didn't rise and immediately disappear. For 40 days, he stayed. He taught. He proved he was truly alive. This wasn't random. He was preparing his followers, strengthening their faith, building the foundation for everything that came next. The resurrection was not the end. It was the beginning. Before Jesus ascended, he made sure the truth was undeniable, because what came next would change the world.